Next up, know your enemy for Turncoat. In this, we need to locate intel and retrieve it from the former Fort Narith commander and report back to Turncoat. While you may think you need to go to Fort Narith, in fact, you need to head all the way up to the Whitewater Villas in Midnight Sapphire, all the way on the far north side of the map. Zooming in here, we need to travel across to this southern building right over here with the black roof. When we do so, you'll come across this area here. And now, unfortunately, you will need a key in order to progress, which is the Villa Katherine key, as you can see him, which you can find by killing bots in the surrounding areas. When you come to this building, enter through the front door over here, as such, and we'll be heading into this door over here. Now, unfortunately, I don't have this Kate key, but I can explain exactly what you need to do. Once you get inside, head across to your right and into this main lounge area over here. When you do so, all the way on the far side over there, you'll see a table. We'll get around to it. And on this table, on the far side, you'll see a note that you need to pick up. Simply keep that safe and take it back to spawn where you can hand in this mission. It's a little bit annoying that we do need a key in order to get in here, but of course, you are going to have to come back here quite a few times to get all of these quests done, and you may have the key by the time you get here. Anyways, it's very annoying, but that is how you do know your enemy for Turncoat. So, hopefully this video helps you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.